We've all been there. You're working on an important project, a precious photo album, or maybe just trying to find that old recipe. You click the folder and nothing. Your heart drops. Where did it all go? Losing important data can feel like the world is ending, a wave of panic washing over you. It's a horrible feeling, but don't give up hope just yet. Losing data is more common than you might think. Hard drives fail, files get accidentally deleted, and sometimes technology just seems to have a mind of its own. But before you resign yourself to the idea that those precious files are gone forever, take a deep breath. There are ways to recover lost data from a hard drive. Whether it's a simple mistake or a major hardware malfunction, there are steps you can take to get your files back. Don't despair, because in this guide, we'll explore the world of data recovery, breaking down the steps you need to take to reclaim your lost information. The moment you realize you've lost data, it's crucial to stay calm. Panic can lead to rash decisions that might further damage your drive and decrease your chances of recovery. The first and most important rule is, stop using the affected drive immediately. Think of your hard drive like a crime scene. Every time you write new data to the drive, it's like potentially overwriting crucial evidence. Continuing to use the drive could permanently erase the lost data. Once you've stopped using the drive, take a moment to assess the situation. What kind of device are we talking about? A laptop, a desktop computer, an external hard drive? Knowing what type of device is involved will help you determine the best course of action. Next, try to pinpoint the potential cause of the data loss. Was it a sudden power outage? Did you accidentally delete a file? Understanding the potential cause can guide your recovery efforts. In many cases, data recovery software can be your saving grace. These handy tools are designed to scan your hard drive for remnants of deleted files. Think of it like piecing together a puzzle. Even if a file is deleted, parts of it might still exist on your hard drive, invisible to you but detectable by software. There are many data recovery software options available, both free and paid. Some popular choices include Recuva, Easiest Data Recovery Wizard, and Disk Drill. These programs typically offer user-friendly interfaces, making them accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Remember, no software can guarantee 100% recovery. The success rate depends on various factors, including the extent of the data loss and how long ago the files were deleted. However, data recovery software can often recover a significant portion of lost data, offering a beacon of hope in a stressful situation. With so many data recovery software options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your needs. Don't worry, we're here to help you navigate the sea of choices. First, consider your budget. Free data recovery software can be a good starting point, especially for simple cases. Paid software often comes with more advanced features and higher recovery rates, making it a worthwhile investment for critical data loss. Next, think about the type of files you need to recover. Some software specializes in recovering specific file types, such as photos, videos, or documents. If you know what types of files are most important, look for software tailored to those needs. Finally, read reviews and compare features. Look for software with a user-friendly interface, positive reviews, and a solid track record of successful recoveries. Section 5, Step-by-Step, Recovering Files with Software. Once you've chosen your data recovery software, it's time to put it to work. Don't worry, the process is usually straightforward. Here's a general step-by-step guide to using data recovery software. First, download the software from a reputable source and install it on your computer. It's crucial to install the software on a different drive than the one you're recovering data from to avoid overwriting any lost files. Next, launch the software and select the drive where your lost data resided. This could be your main hard drive, an external hard drive, or even a USB flash drive. Then, most data recovery software offers different recovery modes, such as Quick Scan for recently deleted files or Deep Scan for more thorough recovery. Choose the mode that best suits your situation. Finally, the software will then scan your selected drive for recoverable files. This process can take time depending on the size of your drive and the chosen scan mode. Be patient, it'll be worth the wait. Section 6. Calling in the expert's professional data recovery services. Sometimes, data loss situations require professional intervention. If you've tried data recovery software without success, or if you're dealing with a physically damaged hard drive, it's best to consult with a professional data recovery service. Think of these experts as the surgeons of the tech world. They have specialized tools and expertise to handle even the most complex data loss scenarios. They can often recover data from physically damaged hard drives that software can't access. However, professional data recovery services can be expensive. The cost varies depending on the complexity of the case and the amount of data that needs to be recovered. It's a good idea to weigh the value of the lost data against the potential cost of recovery before proceeding. If you decide to go with a professional service, be sure to choose a reputable company with certified technicians and positive customer reviews. Ask about their success rates, pricing structure, and turnaround time. Section 7. The importance of backups, an ounce of prevention. As the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. The best way to avoid the heartache of data loss is to back up your important files regularly. Think of backups as your digital safety net, a way to ensure that your precious data is protected, no matter what life throws your way. There are several ways to back up your data. One option is to use an external hard drive. These portable devices offer ample storage space to back up your entire computer. Another popular method is cloud storage. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud allow you to store your files online, making them accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. No matter which method you choose, the key is to make backing up a regular habit. Set a schedule, whether it's weekly, monthly, or after every major project, and stick to it. Section 8. Hope floats. You can recover lost data. Losing data can be a frustrating and scary experience, but remember, it's not always the end of the world. With the right approach and a little bit of luck, you can often recover your lost files and bring them back to life. Whether you choose to use data recovery software, consult with a professional, or a combination of both, there are options available to help you navigate this digital mishap. The key is to act quickly, stay calm, and explore all your options. Remember, technology is constantly evolving, and with it, so are the tools and techniques available for data recovery. What seems impossible today might be a simple fix tomorrow. Don't lose hope. Your data is out there, waiting to be found. Section 9. Stay informed. Subscribe for more tech tips. Technology is full of surprises, both good and bad. Stay one step ahead of the game by subscribing to our newsletter for more helpful tech tips, guides, and advice. We'll keep you informed about the latest trends, common pitfalls, and essential tools to navigate the ever-changing digital landscape. Don't let data loss catch you off guard. Subscribe now and empower yourself with the knowledge to protect your precious files and navigate the digital world with confidence.